Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in our channel we are going to see a fine morning of my daily routine. So this is one of my busiest routine. Since morning I started cooking and I had multiple things to do. Every morning I start fresh because it's going to be a new day in your life that adds lots of joy, that brings a lot of hopes and happiness to your life. Normally my family supports me during my working day because I won't be cooking so much, but this is one day that I had lots of cooking. I made 3 different recipes that day. I believe my baby is the biggest energy for me because she wakes me up every morning and she makes me do my things at best.
이거 미실
쓰는
시
거 왔어.
맞아.
알아.
얘는
국간 부는 거.
그거야.
I had to do something different today because I had macaroni which I wanted to do for a long time. So I started my cooking with macaroni and it came out very well.
얘는 치즈도 있다.
This will stand good in taste because we prepare some time in week because we normally do idli and dosa. That's the famous and easy South Indian dish too. Obviously it took some time in morning to prepare this dish because it has lots of steps to proceed. But believe me that whatever I cook, I just enjoy cooking it because that will add lots of joy in your cooking and in your day too. So that will add more positivity in your life. I started cooking so early today by 7 o'clock at least, and because I had to do vlogging today by 9 o'clock so that I don't need to forget it because that is in my mind always. And these green veggies look really colorful. At the same time it adds lots of energy and healthy things in your life too. When I cook something different on weekdays, I normally don't take anybody's help because I wanted to completely be involved in that. This dish really took so much of time, really. I actually, in fact, I killed my tongue, but definitely I enjoyed cooking it. I prefer taking butter instead of any cooking oils because butter has lots of good and positive fat vibes. Believe me, it took almost 1 hour for me to complete this dish because I had to manage my baby at the same time. I had to give some boost drink early in the morning. Even though it took so much of my daily time, it really came out very well and it looks so colorful, and that made me really happiness, of course. I'm a coffee lover and I don't forget to take coffee with any of the Indian dishes early in the morning. It was almost my time to start my daily working day because when you were continuously in cooking, but really this working time is really a stress-free time for me. I had to do my other household activities here and there, and I had to again start my cooking because today we actually got the fishes from market. It was really fresh, so we don't want to make it wait for a long time. So I started my cooking early today by 9:30 almost, and the fish curry really it came out very well and it looks colorful too. When I talk about the fish curry, I remember my mom's recipe which I love the most. I wanted to recreate once in my lifetime, but I always failed in that. During a break time of my work, I just got to open this parcel which I ordered a week before in Flipkart. It was three different sizes of the glasswares, and when I ordered this I really didn't have this much hope on the quality wise, but I got to see a lot of good, and quality wise it was really great. I'm trying this brand for the first time, and the thickness of the bowl is really looking great, and it's a good suggestion for me to your end. We southernmost Indians, we really add lots of coconuts and coconut milks to our dishes because it look really delicious and taste too. And the outcome of fish curry, it looks really amazing, and it was tasting so yummy also. When I prepare a delicious food, I really feel so happy because I serve with a smile and happiness too, and that makes others to eat it with a nice smile too. My regular days or weekdays will not be this much hectic, but this day really was hectic because I had to do lots of cooking activities.
Welcome. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன செய்ய போறோம்?
The third dish I was talking about is what is really a sweet, and this is palkova, which is trying it for the first time at home because my baby loved eating it. So I just wanted to give a try on it, but at the first try it was not really good in turn. Though it didn't come really well, it was much better than what I expected. It was the first time, so it is really okay for me to go with it. That's the end of today's video, and thank you so much for watching it.